January 25th, we got a card opening. Got some cards to open today. We're going to do a Hanger Banner challenge. I keep leaning back and forth buying the Fantix box or buying Hangers. I guess it depends what the Fantix box has this coming year, since they're changing it. Anyway, we have two Hangers going on. We have a 2024 update versus a 2022 update. This is from our Bowman Mojo pick where we got the Jake Vogel, first Bowman out of 50, Blaze, some other decent cards here. Jeremy De La Rosa, Gomez, Eddie Diaz. Let's see what happens with those. We'll set those aside and we'll go. We're going to start with 2024. I'm still trying to pull Bobby, J-Rod, something gold out of 2022. I haven't gotten it. The best I pulled, I bought the Bobby Witt for $5 at a card store. We'll see what's going on. I don't think that's a thick card. The yellow's making it look weird. There's something there. There's something not making things go. Victor Scott, Evan Justice. I did pick up 76 of Evan Justice as a rookie. It's sub $5, so I thought that'd be okay. Got me thinking. I'm still separating all the rookies here just to sit on them. Jordan Beck. I'll take a Jordan Beck parallel. Man, the Marlins. Teams either rebuilding or good. Paul Skeens. Put Skeens rookie up there. Jackson Holiday. Seems like I already followed Paul Skeens. Jackson Holiday's pretty short to follow. Giolito. What is this? 75 out of 75. I'm not too sure what that card is. I've never seen it before. I assume it's rare. You'll have to let me know. But like you said, it's low numbered. Like Kershaw, never seen the card before. Have to look it up. We'll put them back there. Okay. Got Matt Chapman Chrome. You got Adley Rutschman Rocky or All-Star. You have Wyatt Langford Mystical, Robbie Grossman, Daniel Vogelbach, Evan Carter, and some other stuff. Got the Wyatt Langford. So, I mean, I think 2024 is going to take it. We got two of the main rookies we were looking for. We got a out of 75 insert. I'm not even sure how. We got the mystical Wyatt Langford. We got the MLB stars of MLB Chapman Chrome. Yellows. I mean, no one's significant in the yellows. Evan Carter, 89. I just don't see how 2022 beats us. Both painters I've opened of this set have been very good. Anyway, let's give them a chance. Ooh, the tips here are in the middle, not towards the back. Yeah. Bobby Witt. When 2022 update gets weird like that, it means something's gonna happen. That's what I've discovered. When you see correlations start to crash like that, we'll put it up there. So something's gonna happen here. Because when an insert gets put in, it just throws things off. The Nationals, he's like 2 teams removed from the Nationals. Okay. Gold. So we both got a numbered card. Mackenzie Gore, Max Scherzer, Tim Anderson, Kyle Tucker, Wander Fricker, Chris Bryant, Kikuchi, Clayton Kershaw. I mean, all we got is really Bobby Witt in there. Gold, too big. I would just give this to 2024. I'll look it up and see what the Clayton Kershaw is. It's a good looking card. It just says AC. I'll look it up. Anyway, you have a good day.